Demi Lovato just took to Instagram to bury the hatchet with Taylor Swift. Yep, Demi and Taylor are on good terms once again, you guys. Well, I mean, there was never an official confirmed feud between the two, but over the years, they've surely had their questionable moments.
Taylor.
Then with the whole Scooter Braun situation where Demi clearly picked a side, that side being Scooter's, their friendship future just didn't look bright. I mean, people were even thinking that Taylor was the reason Demi wasn't going to the VMAs this year. She wasn't. I mean, Demi was just guest starring in an episode of Will and Grace, but still. However, over the weekend, things took a turn for Taylor. Oh my god. Demi and Taylor's friendship. Anyway, on Monday, Demi posted an Instagram story that showed her listening to Taylor's new song, Cruel Summer. And in the post, she wrote over it a jam, which, accurate. But that's not all. So Demi then posted another story with text only this time, writing, and I quote, "Life's too short for women to not support other women, especially when women release great music. Great job, Taylor." And you guys, Taylor responded to Demi's story on her own Instagram story, writing, quote, "This is so awesome and put the biggest smile on my face. Thank you, Demi." So that's sweet, right? I'm happy to hear Taylor is on good terms again. But you guys, on that note, that is all the news I have to share with you right now. What did you think of Demi's post? Did it surprise you? Hit me with all your thoughts and feelings down in the comments below. And then click right over here for a new video. And of course, be sure to subscribe to our channel. As always, I'm your host, Renee Ariel. You can follow me on socials at Renee Ariel, and I will see you guys next time.